y va? Okay. Dear graduate families, dear graduate friends, allow me to introduce myself. I am Christophe Germain, the Vice Dean of Audencia Group. The Head of Programs, the Audencia faculty and staff, join me in welcoming you at Audencia today for this graduation ceremony. I know that some of you have traveled a long way to be here with us today. And I really would like to thank you for that. We are deeply moved by this large mark of consideration. This graduation ceremony is certainly a very emotional time for all of you. I would like to thank you on behalf of graduates because you have been involved in their success. They owe much to you. You have supported them by your love, your friendship, your patience, your listening, and sometimes by your admonitions. They wait in front of this auditorium. I suggest that together we welcome by acclamation all of them. Thank you.
Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I'm rational. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I'm rational. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Sometimes I believe, at times I'm rational. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Decisions as I go to anywhere anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I wish you know. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know.
Okay. 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 Dear graduates of the Executive MBA program, dear graduates of the IMM program, we are, and I am personally, as Vice Dean of Audencia Group, extremely pleased to welcome you today in this auditorium for this graduation ceremony. First of all, I wish to congratulate you. You have worked very hard, you have demonstrated perseverance, you have achieved the results expected, and you are rewarded today for your success. In light of this, we are very proud to count you by now as Audencia graduates and tomorrow as Audencia alumni. The time has come for you to honor your diploma. You are, for the rest of your life, members of the Audencia family, and we rely on you to become loyal ambassadors of your school in the future. We have fully confidence in you for promoting and highlighting the school wherever you are in the future, by your skills, by your talent, and by your behaviors. Don't forget Audencia, and don't forget to be involved in the Audencia Alumni Network. You share a moved moment today with your family, your friends, and with us by closing a chapter of the book of your life. Now, you have to write the following, keeping in mind that for composing a great story, you will need to live during the next years at a personal and professional level with courage, with audacity, with involvement, but without forgetting humanism values. I know that it is a huge challenge. So please, let me suggest to you a source of inspiration. I invite all of you to reflect on the opening lines of David Copperfield, the wonderful book written by Charles Dickens. In this novel, David Copperfield starts his story with the questions to project himself into his life by asking whether I shall turn out to be the hero of my own life or whether that station will be held by anybody else. These pages must show. I repeat in French. Serais-je le héros de ma propre histoire ou quelque autre y prendra-t-il cette place? C'est ce que ces pages vont apprendre au lecteur. Keep this in mind, and I'm fully confident that the book of your life will be a best-seller. Thank you. Enjoy your ceremony. I would like now to cordially invite the Audencia Executive Education Director, William Hurst, to join me on stage. William.
Thank you very much, Christophe. It's always a great pleasure to be in front of you for a graduation ceremony because I feel thrilled and it reminds me how excited you feel in front of your teammates and your family. So thank you very much again and congratulations in advance. It's a word that you're going to hear a lot today. It's very important for me to welcome also the Executive MBA especially because this program is probably the cornerstone of executive education offering in any school and especially in our school. Because more than other programs, he has to carry on what is the mission of executive education within our school. Train, develop, responsible, innovative, open-minded, and cross-culturally aware leaders. All through the programs, you have been experiencing different things that enables basically to meet all the targets that we're reaching and meet for this kind of program. Nowadays, as you know, it's a special period in France, and I would like just to share one thing which I think is very important. When winds of change are blowing, some people build walls, others are building treadmills. So I'm sure that the Executive MBA graduates making the right choice. And one word, in addition, that I would share in French, il n'est jamais trop tard pour devenir ce qu'on a toujours rêvé d'être. So now for me, it's time to call on stage the art of the MBA program, the one that basically is inspiring the entire program. Let me have the pleasure to call on stage Jean-Marc Charlot.
Bonjour à toutes et à tous. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very pleased to welcome the family and the friends of the Executive MBA 2015 participants for their graduation. Today, it's a great moment for them, as for me, as for my colleague of the faculty, and I would like to thank them to be there with us. We spent together 18 months, since March 2014 to last September. The cruise was very nice. And now, it's the day to coming back to the harbor. During this cruise, you, your family, your children, friends, are part of the crew. And you contributed, maybe more than you can think, to the success of their experience. Today, the Executive MBA 2015 have to be honored for their great involvement in this program. But you, their relatives, are also a huge component of their achievement, and today, I would like to thank you very deeply to support them in such a challenge. Be proud of them, be proud of that. Dans ce voyage, vous, les proches, vous en avez perçu la partie visible. Les vendredis, les samedis, tous les 15 jours, passés à Audencia. Les lectures préalables pour ces journées de cours. Le temps passé pour mettre au point et finaliser les travaux de groupe. Les absences pour les séminaires internationaux au Brésil en octobre 2014, en Chine en mars 2015. Et pour vous, parents, enfants, conjoints, il a peut-être été difficile de croire que c'était pour le travail. Les longues journées, soirées, congés, passés sur le projet, sur la rédaction du mémoire, la préparation de la soutenance. Les angoisses, les veilles d'examen, l'appréhension durant l'attente des notes. les périodes de doute, celles d'euphorie. Il ne devait pas être toujours facile à suivre, vos conjoints, parents, amis. Je ne pense pas me tromper en disant qu'ils ont tous changé pendant ces 18 mois. Nous, à Audencia, la faculté, vous les avons changés. Mais ils se sont changés eux-mêmes, les uns les autres. 18 mois passés ensemble, voire par moments seuls, mais toujours dans des préoccupations communes, personnelles, ça laisse des traces. Chers participants, vous en connaissez la face cachée. Malheureusement, ce qui s'est passé au Brésil est resté au Brésil. Ce qui s'est passé en Chine est resté en Chine, donc je ne pourrai pas vous en dire plus. Mais en partisan et fervent défenseur de la culture libre, de l'open source et de l'open hardware, je me dois de vous livrer quelques-uns de nos secrets de fabrication, ce qu'on pourrait appeler l'Audencia Touch. Côté ingrédients, il faut veiller à un approvisionnement local, régional, national, voire international, en candidats et de qualité supérieure. Mais ça se saurait, un tas de belles pierres ne fait pas un joli mur. Donc le secret est ailleurs. En effet, le secret est dans la sauce, et je vous en livre la recette. Laissez dorer au soleil de Copacabana, remuez longtemps dans 2 tuk-tuk pékinois, arrosez fréquemment de cachaça, mais pas trop, filtrez les fakes du marché de Shanghai, laissez reposer au 9e étage de la tour Petrobras, laquez le canard régulièrement, maintenez sous pression pendant 18 mois tout en relâchant la soupape à l'occasion. Coupez avec le 14 sec. Laissez infuser à la mode design thinking, vendangez avant que ça ne se gâte, essayez de ne pas perdre le contrôle. Et enfin, célébrez la réussite dans un week-end sur les côtes morbihanaises. À ce jour, un seul constat. Il y a 18 mois, 17 personnes s'engageaient dans une formation exigeante. Aujourd'hui, un groupe d'amis s'est créé et sont partis pour encore de longues aventures. Mon constat, je vous le livre, la promotion exécutive MBA 2015 n'est pas désintégrable. Longue vie à elle, merci à tous et bonne cérémonie. Je me dois d'appeler les représentants étudiants de la promotion exécutive MBA 2015, que sont Damien Grelot et Céline Roskovec.
C'est assez impressionnant d'être devant tous. Bonjour à tous, mesdames, messieurs. Nous vivons à des rythmes effrénés et pourtant nous devons prendre le risque de vivre nos rêves, d'être acteurs de nos vies. Nous nous devons de travailler à réaliser nos rêves. Un exec MBA est un processus de transformation sur 18 mois. On ne sent pas la transformation et pour chacun, elle peut être différente. Elle permet de désinhiber les envies. On l'a choisi pour les figures imposées, pour travailler les bases avec des fondamentaux, une culture sur les différentes thématiques de l'entreprise, un partage de nos connaissances, de nos expériences et une vie en groupe en France, à l'international, et au Brésil et en Chine. C'est l'apprentissage, voire l'innovation par l'expérience. Faire un pas de plus pour développer le meilleur de soi-même. Ce parcours est parsemé de réussites et d'échecs. Et grâce à l'entraide, le partage, l'esprit d'équipe, le dépassement de soi, nous avons tous ouvert de nouvelles perspectives, innové dans nos projets. En groupe, nous avons révélé, fait résonner nos leaderships responsables, nous avons ajouté à nos intuitions des boîtes à outils, des processus outillés pour être capables de penser l'avenir. Tout ceci afin d'être des leaders maîtres d'œuvre, capables de concevoir avec la bonne exécution des stratégies, avec la vue de demain et après-demain, tout en gérant l'aujourd'hui. Audencia, école de management, mais pas seulement. Audencia doit aussi prétendre former des acteurs du changement de demain. Audencia a pour vocation de former des entrepreneurs innovants et pas nécessairement disruptifs. Audencia doit former des hommes et des femmes capables de proposer de nouveaux modèles, faire progresser les modèles actuels pour faire progresser la société. Audencia, c'est oser, Audencia, c'est l'audace. Militons pour des valeurs d'éthique et d'honnêteté, pour donner du sens à nos vies et aidons nos jeunes à trouver une raison d'être. Soyons acteurs du changement et donnons-nous les capacités à rêver pour inventer le monde de demain. Donnez-vous au maximum dans tout ce que vous entreprenez et prenez du plaisir. Je voulais juste rajouter un petit mot en complément de ce discours qui est le discours de l'exec MBA. Je tenais également à remercier mon épouse, Stella, qui a grandement contribué à ce travail, à ces 18 mois, pour que ça se passe bien. Donc merci. Et merci à mes garçons, Maxime et Florentin, qui m'ont aussi beaucoup aidé.
Merci Céline, merci Damien. Ils ont tous les deux, pendant 18 mois, été les délégués de cette promotion. Et c'est toujours dans un échange toujours agréable que nous avons contribué au bon déroulement ensemble des relations entre les participants et la direction du programme. Et je tenais à les remercier vivement pour leur implication pendant ces 18 mois. Merci. Je vous invite maintenant à regarder une vidéo qui retrace quelques propos d'étudiants participant à la promotion.
Je m'appelle Bertrand Dubin, j'ai 48 ans. Je suis chef d'entreprise dans le secteur industriel.
Emeline Bergeron, je suis ingénieure agronome de formation et je suis aujourd'hui responsable du conseil chez Offre et Demande Agricole, une société qui accompagne les entreprises pour gérer la volatilité des matières premières agricoles.
Armel Leblanc, je travaille chez SPI, la société SPI, filiale Ouest-Centre, donc sur l'ensemble du Grand Ouest de la France, et dans le département Télécom.
Avec un parcours financier préalable, dans une entreprise, vous faites beaucoup de choses. Et donc la finance était un domaine que je connaissais mieux. Mais alors le marketing, le commercial, j'ai un peu appris sur le terrain. Et je me suis dit, il serait bien de donner une dimension plus académique à tout ça, une méthodologie.
Pour accompagner mon projet entrepreneurial, j'avais besoin de valider mes compétences en termes de management, de marketing, voilà, acquérir des connaissances théoriques et échanger sur la pratique avec des pairs sur ces sujets-là.
J'ai choisi ce programme Executive MBA parce que je souhaitais, avant mes 40 ans, développer de nouvelles compétences et être capable de rebondir à chaque événement professionnel. Or, je venais de connaître un plan de départ volontaire, c'était vraiment le moment pour moi de développer ces compétences, de m'ouvrir de nouveaux horizons.
Surtout, c'est le mode pédagogique. C'est-à-dire qu'on a des enseignants-chercheurs qui ont une grande maîtrise académique. Et vous avez 17 personnes de la promo qui ont chacun une expérience très riche du terrain dans divers secteurs d'activité. Et finalement, ce ne sont pas des cours, ce sont des échanges entre le monde académique, le monde du terrain, et puis des échanges entre nous. C'est vraiment très, 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 très intéressant.
Les aspects les plus positifs, donc c'est bien évidemment cet échange avec des professionnels, aujourd'hui des amis pour beaucoup, et l'échange aussi avec les professeurs qui favorisent cela dans la classe au quotidien. Le réseau que ça va nous m'amener aussi pour la suite, que ce soit avec les professeurs ou les étudiants.
L'aspect le plus positif, celui que je retiens en premier, c'est vraiment le groupe, l'ensemble des étudiants avec lesquels on a évolué pendant 1 an et demi. C'est ça qui fait, à mon avis, le sel du programme. Nous sommes tous des étudiants d'environ 40 ans. On vient ici avec un projet personnel, et donc on vient tous dans une démarche de partage. Et c'est ça qui rend le programme vraiment très intéressant.
Au niveau enseignement, des cours de stratégie et des parties et le business model, entre autres, qui a été une vraie révélation pour moi, de regarder l'entreprise en tant que business model. Et au niveau de mes camarades étudiants, les voyages à l'étranger qui nous ont permis de passer vraiment du temps ensemble, d'apprendre à se connaître et d'avoir beaucoup d'échanges au niveau tant professionnel que personnel, sachant que le tout est complémentaire et c'est un vrai atout pour progresser.
Imaginons que je regarde en arrière dans quelques années, je me souviendrai du plaisir d'avoir fait cet effort. Parce que c'est vraiment une formation qui demande du temps, de l'investissement, mais j'en retire vraiment du plaisir à chaque instant. Et c'est ce qui m'a étonné, mais c'est ce que je retiendrai encore.
Je pense que je vais partir vers d'autres expériences. Alors, est-ce que ça va être de la croissance externe à partir de la société qui est la mienne aujourd'hui? Est-ce que ce sera revendre ma société, repartir vers d'autres expériences? Mais je pense que les choses auront fortement évolué aussi d'ici 5 ans.
Dans le cadre professionnel, je suis en train de reprendre une entreprise donc, qui est un vignoble, avec mon mari qui sera en charge de la technique, et moi sur la partie développement de stratégie marketing et développement commercial, qui sont aujourd'hui des leviers de performance de l'entreprise.
Je vois mon avenir professionnel sous de nouveaux horizons. Si je pense à mon passé, mes 15 années dans la technique, dans les télécoms, aujourd'hui déjà on me propose des postes vers de nouveaux horizons professionnels, donc de nouvelles matières, de nouveaux domaines. Et donc j'imagine mon avenir professionnel sous le signe du changement.
Donc nous allons procéder à la remise des prix pour la promotion exécutive MBA 2015. Donc je voudrais appeler en tant que major de la promotion exécutive MBA 2015, Monsieur Damien Demour. J'appelle pour le prix du meilleur projet pour la complémentarité du mémoire et de la soutenance, Monsieur Bertrand Dubin. J'appelle pour le prix du meilleur projet pour la qualité du mémoire, Monsieur Pascal Griès. J'appelle pour le prix du meilleur projet pour la qualité de la soutenance, Monsieur Armel Leblanc. J'invite tous les diplômés de la promotion exécutive MBA 2015 à bien vouloir venir se présenter sur scène. Merci.
I'm very glad to call the Graduate Executive MBA 2015. Théophile Anquier. Emmeline Bergeron. Chatar Maggie Chen Ying. Damien Demour. Dubin Bertrand. Emeraude Lorion Karine. Fourier Denis. Griès Pascal. Grelot Damien. Leblanc Armel. Le Soudeur Frédéric. Levoir Paul. Poisson Charles. Prodhomme Sylvain. Roscovec Céline. Rousseau David. Et enfin, Sauzé Robin. Congratulations.
My name is Lily. I'm 19 years old. No money to study, no boyfriend. I'm kinda bored. I went to the trade fair to find a job. There I found a few guys in the army. They told me that I was smart and pretty. I'm going to war, I'm going to war, I'm going to war, I'm going to war, I'm going to war. She's going to war, she's going to war, she's going to war, she's going to war, she's going to war. My name is Lily. They told me that I could make it. They paid for my studies, so I will graduate.
It is my great pleasure now to introduce the head of the IMM program, Olga Kapitskaya.
Dear students, your graduation day is a very emotional moment for all of us. This is the conclusion of your hard year of studies, days of studies, sometimes nights of studies. It's the beginning of lifelong friendship, but also some disputes and conflicts. It's pleasures of intercultural teaming, and it's pleasures for many of you to discover a new country, to learn that France has 11 holidays, and on the day of holidays, everything is closed. So if you don't have your food, you don't have your food. Well, you didn't only study, even if we're very proud of your academic results. You also traveled, you partied, and we're very happy that you have shared your talents and grace with us. We still remember the artful performances that you did for cocktails, the gorgeous dishes that we had privilege to taste, the beautiful drawings that you made, the games that you have organized, and all the moments of academic and purely human exchange that made all of you so special to us. So now when we look at you here, mature, knowledgeable, rich with all experience that you have, and ready to start new adventures, we're very proud of you. Many people in this school has made this possible, and I would like to thank these people. First of all, I would like to thank IMM professors who shared their knowledge and experience with you, and who were always there to guide your curiosity and answer your questions. Let's give them a round of applause. I would also like to thank Sophie and Konstantin, who were here every day, always ready to help. Woo! So you're here now, ready to start your career, armed with everything you have learned. And we're sure that you will make the business world and the world, just the world, better. That you will bring not only your professionalism and efficiency, but also your sense of ethics, your sense of cooperation, your rich multicultural experience, and that we will have many other opportunities to be proud of you, just as we're proud of you today. So, best of continuation to all of you, and good luck. Thank you. And now I would like to invite here the representatives of the group to give a speech. So please, Flannery and Prashant, come over and tell us.
Hey, we did it.
Woohoo!
Make some noise, people.
All right, first of all, thank you to our family, whether they're here or watching on the internet. Our friends, Olga, Sophie, Konstantin, our professors, and of course you, our hot, juicy, spicy, dear friends and classmates, for bringing us here today. Today is exciting. It's an occasion to be grateful and proud. But as we look ahead to what's next, it's also a little intimidating. What comes next? Where do we go from here? I know it's a bit cliche, but we are business students, so I'm going to quote Steve Jobs and see what he has to say about it, because I think he has some really good advice on this point. He says this. Okay, think about those pictures that when we were kids with the dots that you had to connect, and once you connected the lines, it made a picture. And Steve Jobs said that we can only connect the dots looking forward. We can't do it, We can't do it looking forward. We can only do it looking backwards, once the dots are already there. So we have to trust that somehow in the future, the dots will connect. Believing that will give us the confidence to follow our heart, even when it leads us off the well-worn path.
I am also very sure that all of us had no specific path that we had to follow. Leaving behind our friends, our family, our food, our native language, but also leaving behind an whole society where we actually knew how to take the tram and the bus and to navigate and to get to places here and there. But I'm sure that all of us, at some point in this whole year, would have experienced a feeling of being totally lost. Moments of frustration, moments of anger would have passed by, causing panic and chaos all over. There have been moments where each one of us had to re-examine our beliefs and values and try to change them a bit in order to actually live here. But we also had moments of friendship and joy that was rich and very distinct from what we had back at home. I'm sure that all of us, as a class, we wouldn't have made it through without the pre-drinks and the OBs that we had throughout the year in Audencia. Imagine, me personally, it hit me when I was walking back home at 4 a.m. in the morning with a bunch of crazy people that were halfway around the world that I just met while walking back to the tram. At 4 a.m., mind you. Maybe it was also finishing a class marathon that we had with 20 of our classmates, taking photographs and actually making us feel that, it's a big moment for all of us.
So, in short, living and working in an international environment will continue to be both mentally exhausting and incredibly fulfilling. It will be hard to fully grasp the value of the extreme highs and lows that come with living in a foreign environment while you're living them. But keep pursuing them. Keep taking foreign roads and collecting dots. And soon you're going to start connecting those dots and seeing your life as a picture that tells a story that makes perfect sense. Today, we're able to do something we couldn't have done last September when we first met each other for the first time. We're now able to look back on the 15 months in the IMM and see how the good moments and the not so good moments provoked and shaped our story. Tonight, remember that all of the experiences that await us will only further enhance and complete that picture.
So, in order for us to finish, remember people, that this diploma that you hold in your hands today is just a start. It's a learner's permit for the rest of our lives in order to drive and in order to succeed. Remember, you don't have to be smarter than the next person. All you have to do is to be willing to work harder than the next person. Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
And now let us take a few minutes to watch our video.
My name is Aprajita Phillips. I'm from Mumbai, which is also known as Bombay.
My name is Masilo Mafube, and I come from a very small country called Lesotho. It is inside South Africa.
My name is Yunyun Lu, and I'm from Taiwan.
My name is Saad Beldot, and I'm Moroccan.
My name is Liana, I'm from Russia.
If I chose this program is because I wanted to have an international exposure. And I think being in the IMM program at Audencia is a great experience to get this international exposure and to get a broad knowledge about business. And this is what I was particularly looking for, to not be specialized in a specific field, but my primary objective was to get this broad knowledge so I can then pick up the career I would like to aspire to.
I chose IMM program because I did my bachelor degree in French, and then I was intending to continue my student life doing master, but in more multicultural context. So I thought that the IMM program would be the best option for me.
I chose this program because, first of all, I wanted to have some tools, managerial tools, especially from an international perspective. And because this program is delivered in English, it was very attractive for me. And because it was offered in Audencia, which is a school which I really liked.
The positive aspects of the IMM program, firstly, would be the actual academic study that we do. The courses are intense, but they are very varied in terms of subject matter. So that's a lot of information that we get. The second thing is the way that the courses are structured. It's a lot of hands-on, do-it-yourself. It's not so much theory. It's definitely not rote learning. And lastly would be the classmates and the teachers and the people that make up the program. That is irreplaceable. You can't find that anywhere else. So these are the top 3 positive aspects for me.
The positive aspect of this program is I really work a lot with multinational classmates, and it helps me think like out of the box, because I never know like people from different countries, they think in such a different way. Yeah, and that helps me improve my skill in management or in marketing field.
In the beginning, I would like to work for a multinational company to get a feel of how things work, climb the corporate ladder successfully with my degree, hopefully. But then I think at some point in time, I'd like to start my own consultancy.
After graduation, I would like to have my own business, and a very profitable and successful one, dealing on the international stage.
My career goal after graduation would be I would like to working in some marketing field, especially in international brand companies.
My primary goal is to get a permanent position in management consulting. Currently, I'm taking interviews with UK firms, so this is my objective, to work within a UK management consulting firm.
I would like to find a job in Europe and be in charge of maintaining business-to-business relations between European and Russian companies.
So, the time has come to give prizes. Let me invite on the stage the student who is the best student of the IMM 2015 promotion, Louison Perret. Woo! Let us give the prize for the best IMM thesis. And this prize goes to the student Louison Perret. Wow! And so now it's time for all of you to get your beautiful and so well-merited diplomas. So please, if I can invite all graduates to come over and to get here. And we will call you one by one to get your diploma.
Just when life is getting better, you face cold and stormy weather. Just know.
Okay, so let me congratulate all of you. And I've got a special thought for graduates who could not be with us today, but who are watching us, I guess. So hello, congratulations to you too. And I will call our IMM graduates by alphabetical order. So let's go. Are you ready? Not yet. Yeah? Okay, so first graduate is Fatima Al-Qatari. Carole Arciniegas Guerrero. Ranji Balazubramani. Saad Belda. Shashank Bat. Olivia Cadenas Leon. Jiawei Shang. Yashi Shang. Samnang Shang. Yue Dun. Rami El Badawi. Juliette Aucœur. Maria Johanna Jardim Pereira. Pan Pan Gia. Shanni Joshi. Flannery Kearney. Kolade Keshiro. Héloïse Lévesque. Ekaterina Ley. Mengi Lee. Muking Lee. Thibaut Loison. Yunyun Lu. Masilo Mafube. Adnane Mabou. Pralad Marali Ali. Maria Marinich. Devendra Mishra. Sadiq Mohamed. Thomas Monroe. Sophie Muris. Karan Monesh Nanam. Bishengok Ngo. Liana Nourgalieva. Anna Maria Olaya Vargas. Yang Hu. Louison Perret. Lucie Perra. Sheng Peng. Soumaya Rai. Prachant Ramachadon. Julie Robert. Joseph Jamal Seyoun. Santosh Kumarka. Pweterat Sata. Raoul Sen. Seri Chamanowski. Prachi Sharma. Shangye Song. Peishi Wu. Jiaxuan Yang. Mukun Yuan. Quincy Zhu,
Doesn't really matter.
Shreyas,
It will last forever, I know.
and Maria Zubilaga, sorry.
I feel pain when they try to bring me down. But as long as this world keeps turning round, I know it will last forever, I know. Okay, my life is moving, but demons are fighting. Okay, tears are dry now, but demons are fighting. Okay, okay. But demons are fighting. Okay, tears are dry now, but demons are fighting. Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna move on right now. You can stop me now. I'm gonna keep on moving on. It's alright. Alright. Okay. Bye. Bye. Just when life is getting better, you face cold and stormy weather. Just know it will last forever, you see.
I would like to cordially invite now Katie François, the coordinator of the Audencia alumni, Guylaine Bossis, Executive MBA graduate and Ambassador 2014, and Nonso Shukuma, IMM graduate 2013, to join me on step.
Welcome to all of you on this special day. Each one of you has worked hard to earn your degree, and I would like to congratulate you for reaching this important milestone. For those of you whom I've already had the pleasure of meeting over this past year, namely to work on the school's renewal of international accreditations, you will know that I have a tendency to crunch numbers. So, true to form, here are a few facts about yourselves that I'm sure you really, really wanted to know. By the end of today, some 246 students will have graduated. You represent 44 different nationalities, from Peru to Nepal and from Botswana to Japan. Nearly 60% of you are women, except for on the Executive MBA program, and the average age is 27 and a half. The youngest was born in 1994, and the oldest, well, I'll let you work that one out, but it just goes to show that you're never too young or too old to learn something exciting, enriching, and new. I know it's a cliche, but today is really a beginning and not an end. You will be leaving Audencia, but the school is with you to accompany you throughout your life and your career. Today, I'm here to represent the Audencia alumni team, which is dedicated to serving a community of over 15,000 Audencians in France and around the world. Yesterday, you were students. Today, you are alumni. So on behalf of the Audencia alumni team, I wish you all the best on your post-graduation endeavours, and I hope to meet many of you again in the future. Please keep in touch. It's my pleasure to hand over to Guylaine, Executive MBA Ambassador 2014.
Bonjour à tous. C'est avec un immense plaisir que j'ai l'honneur de remettre le prix de l'ambassadeur de l'Executive MBA 2015. Il s'agit de Céline.
Merci beaucoup. Quand on m'a annoncé que j'étais l'ambassadeur de la promo 2015, j'ai pensé à la maison de mes parents. Et dans la maison de mes parents, il y a une grande bibliothèque. Et dans cette grande bibliothèque, il y a des vieux livres rouges. Et à l'époque, à l'école, quand on remettait des prix, on remettait un livre avec, qui racontait une histoire. Alors, il y avait des livres pour le meilleur en mathématiques, le meilleur en français. Puis, il y avait un prix un petit peu spécial, pas pour le meilleur élève, mais c'était le prix de la camaraderie. Et pour moi, le prix de l'ambassadeur, ça rejoint les notions de prix de la camaraderie. On a eu la chance cette année d'être une promotion pas très nombreuse, on était 17, et on a su créer des vrais liens. Et vous avez entendu certains le dire, mais on a autant gagné par nos échanges d'expériences, par l'amitié qu'on a pu développer entre nous, que par les connaissances que nous ont apportées nos enseignants. Faisons tout pour garder ça, parce que dans quelques années, je pense qu'on s'apercevra que la vraie richesse de notre enseignement, elle est dans le groupe qu'on a formé. Merci.
And now, Nonso Chukwuma will announce the name of the ambassador for the IMM programme.
Hello, IMM. It really warms my heart to be out here today, and I would like to tell all of you that the fact you have one class ambassador, it doesn't change the fact that you all are all ambassadors of the IMM program. So you have chosen, and I will present to you the class ambassador for 2015 in the person of Prashat Ramachandran.
Wow. So I guess too many speeches and no parties makes us all adult students. So I would like to thank the entire class for voting me, for believing in me, for giving me the vote of confidence, for actually knowing the fact that we would all be in touch at some point in our lives. So I am pretty sure that from our class, we have friends, colleagues from various parts of the countries. So which is what makes our class very special. And I hope that going forward, all of us, most important, we keep in touch, we stay connected through LinkedIn, through Facebook, through Google Talk, I don't know. And we try to meet at some point in our life and try to share all our experiences and all what we have done throughout the year in IMM and how we have shaped our lives after the IMM program. So thank you all once again.
Alors je vais conclure en français. Donc voici venu le moment de clôturer cette cérémonie. Cela a été un énorme plaisir, un grand plaisir de célébrer ce moment avec vous toutes et vous tous. Sachez que, et ce n'est pas un vain mot dans la mesure où c'est quelque chose qui fait partie de l'ADN de l'école, l'accueil, vous serez toujours, toutes et tous, les bienvenus à Audencia. Je vous invite, les diplômés, à me rejoindre sur scène pour la photo finale et le lancer de chapeau. Et on m'a indiqué de vous informer qu'il y avait, à l'issue de cette photo, un cocktail qui sera servi dans le hall de l'école. Merci à toutes et à tous et je vous souhaite une bonne fin de week-end.
Okay, so you all, I'm just translating into English. So please all come to the stage and we will have this beautiful moment of throwing your hats up. So you will have to watch carefully Christophe Germain. He will count down. Yeah, he will start with 3, 3, 2, 1, and we throw it at 1 or 0?
3. From 1. 3.
Comment tu fais? Tu fais 1, 2, 3? Ah, okay, he counts normally. He starts at 1 and you throw the hat at 3. And put your flowers down, otherwise you can throw your flowers, and that's not the goal. So you don't throw cameras, you don't throw your diploma, you just throw hats.
Je sais pas si ça marche. Moi je compte en anglais. Si je compte en français, les IMM, ils vont rien. Are you ready? At 3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
थोड़ा इधर आ बीच में है थोड़ा इधर और एक लेता अंकल